So this right here is inferior phrenic coming up, and then coming down this right here is going to be your abdominal aorta. It's going to come out to make your celiac trunk. So this over here is splenic, and then this coming up here is going to be suprarenal, and this is going to be your other suprarenal, and then this one's hepatic, common hepatic. And then what we're not seeing on there is the left gastric, right? Okay. So now we're coming down, and this is going to be the superior mesenteric artery, and this coming up is going to be the hepatoduodenal, or what is
inferior
it?
Pancreaticoduodenal.
Yeah. What was it again?
Inferior pancreaticoduodenal.
Okay, because it's between the pancreas and the duodenum. And then coming down right here, this is the bifurcation of the abdominal aorta. So it's going to come out to form the two common iliacs. This one coming up this way is going to be your external iliac, which is later going to turn down into your femoral. So this coming back here is the internal iliac, which is going to come down. And what are these divisions? Top one, 373.
You have the lateral sacral, inferior gluteal.
Okay.
And then you have the plexuses. So the sacral plexus, point to that one there.
That's this
377.
one? Okay. And this one up here?
That's the lumbosacral plexus.
Lumbosacral, okay.
And then that's just the fourth sacral nerve.
Okay. What about this muscle right here? Piriformis. This one right here?
Coccygeus. Levator ani.
Okay, and then this one back here, coming around right behind where
that's
the anus
the puborectalis.
And this one in front of it?
The pubococcygeus, and they're part of the levator ani.
Okay, and then coming down in here, you have these nerves that are running right in front of the sacrum, and that's the sacral ganglion. And then what else do we have? Coming over here, this right here is going to be the obturator nerve, and then the obturator artery. What about these guys out here? This one is the iliohypogastric. Wait, is it?
Iliohypogastric on top, and then the ilioinguinal.
Okay.
Is the lower one.
And then these muscles, this one right here is going to be quadratus lumborum. This is iliacus. This is psoas major, psoas minor. This right here is going to be your ureter. This guy right here is the transverse mesocolon. So what it's doing is it's connecting the pancreas to the transverse colon. That would be right here. And what about this? The blue? Superior mesenteric vein. And then do we know what this one coming up is? Same name.
353, inferior pancreaticoduodenal vein.
Okay. This green guy coming right through here is going to be the common bile duct. What else? What about this vein?
Splenic artery and vein.
Okay.
Hold on, go back down here. This is the obturator internus. Then this is the tendinous arc of levator ani, superior ramus of the pelvic bone.
What about this?
Femoral nerve.
Femoral nerve. Okay. And yeah,
that's pretty
sounds good.